What's cracking, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. New video. Today we have Chito Ranas. The thing that they call Chito. Damn, Holmes. Can we just soak that up right there? I'd also like to point out that they are in the apartment complex indoor basketball court. See the mailboxes right there in the corner? I like that management company. They're like, why make them weather the storm? Weather the beautiful weather. Put everything inside where it smells like ass. Especially after Chito's been there. So, I saw this on TikTok. Gunner and I spoke about it. Gunner's going to be doing something on it today, too. And we're just going to watch everything that is Chito, that he's showing the world. And we're going to wonder why he never wears a shirt, but we're not going to do that yet. We're going to watch his basketball skills. All right? Check him out. Hold on. Is he the real life Mr. Potato Head? How is he so melty in the middle, right? With bony ass arms and them, look, his knees touch. Him and Fat Joe. Oh man, why is it Ranas? I got it. Him and Fat Joe. Oh, and that black chick on TikTok and IG. They're the only ones that I know that stand up straight and their knees are still touching. No matter how far apart they put their feet, their knees are still touching. You know they don't have good balance, right? Fuck. Oh, shit. Did you see the way he caught the ball? My boy. But let's see the shot. He can't dribble a ball. Okay. My boy. Is he playing canicas? Were there marbles down there and he was aiming at the marbles and we just didn't know it? We need some context. Was he playing marbles? Because he got nowhere near that basketball rim. I'll tell you that right now. How is he built like that? How? Just imagine, like, fool, back up. That vato he's talking to, he's got titty and nipple on him in the worst way. He looks like he's got two impossible shits in those pants. See, there's people that sag because they're trying to be cool, and then there's people that sag because of the way they're built. He's got the build for sagging. Chito, let me let you in on something, player. When somebody with a hairline like that laughs at your body and what you just tried to do, that means it's all bad. Slow motion with it. God, look at it. He's trying to fit. Yeah, just. You guys ever seen those fish? I don't know what the fuck they are. And they hide in the algae, the seaweed in the ocean. And the stupid fish get too close to it and it jumps out, but it's so uncoordinated that it bites all the water like within feet around it just to get a fish this big. That's Chito. This bring it back over here. This. Watch the way he caught the ball. Oh my God, you better never get in a fight in your life. You better be nicest fucking person. In real life, that vato's nice. Polite. Humble in real life, like fuck all the rap. The rapper, yeah. WWE. This homie. There's no way you know how to fight. Hey, they should fucking put that guy. Just let him hit a heavy bag with some gloves on. Let's see if he falls down. He couldn't dribble the ball. He took a running start. Fucking laughing. Órale. It's bust down time. Show him what you were doing in the level 2 you were on. Or whatever level you were. Hey, Oswald, can we just go back? Nah, we'll just leave it alone. Why is this vato take his shoes off all the time? Those are county jail fucking shower shoes right there. At least when I was in the county jail, those were the shower shoes. Oh my God. So this is where he makes up for the basketball canicas play, right? This is where, I mean, he's gonna show this youngster in this. I don't know why there's beer and liquor right there in the background, and then you have this vato in his sweats. How tall is that guy? Anyways, Chito, get it, boy. Do his elbows hurt? No way. Well, when's he going to do a burpee, though? Oh, where's your shirt caught up in? Slow motion. Look it. Does that make one push-up that he did 3 of whatever the... Homie. Well, he's got a lot of... At least he makes everybody around him laugh. That's what we can say about Chito Ranas. Chingao, Chito. I don't know, Holmes. I need help in the comment. Does he look better or worse with clothes on? How come we still know? Oh, because he burned it into our fucking brain. The first clip, right? Homie, like... I need bro's confidence. And he posted that because somebody... Oh, my God. 1 a.m. activities. Who want to challenge me? So they're in a dance-off. They found a black guy that can't dance to dance against a Mexican guy who like apparently has never seen anyone dance before. Because watch this shit. What the fuck? Look at this. This is where he's gonna get it. Oh my God! Look, even that's uncoordinated. Look. Oh, it's gross. See. So that's what we have. We're gonna end it on this over here. Hold on. Let's go back over here. Boom. Or do we end it on the hair comb move? How does his body have more wrinkles than the way? Look at his sweats and then look at his body. They're twins. I thought it was from something with an H. Howell Park or something. What is that A for? Ain't coordinated? Ain't gonna win a fight? Fuck. Chito. I'll say this. Is that a handcuff sticking out the back of the chair? Hey, I'll say this, though. He's probably a cool-ass dude to kick it with. But in all seriousness, people of my generation, we need to do better. What the fuck happened? Hey, Holmes, my generation would play tackle football in the street until the lights turned on. Street lights turned on, right? We were playing fucking tackle football in the streets, at the park, wherever. We were fucking fist fighting all the time, running around. And then this generation right here, they're popping pills and drinking and I almost feel bad. Like I feel like there should be a GoFundMe or like some type of charity to get this man back on his fucking. He is on his feet. What the fuck do we do? Look at his boxers are trying to flee. They're jumping out of his pants. Chito, how old are you, homie? 30? But that's my disgusting video of the day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Everybody, please be safe, be smart, and tell the ones you love that you love them, man. I am definitely out of here.